Hi. I'm Claudia from cake4Three. Today we are looking at how to make a pavlova with the Thermomix. There is also another pavlova tutorial that I did, with the planetary mixer. If you are interested, I will put the link here. Remember, for a good meringue you must have all the tools perfectly degreased. I clean everything with a little vinegar. Furthermore, the egg white must not contain any part of the yolk. Then the oven is turned on at 100 degrees. I turn on the Thermomix, weigh the eggs, then add triple the sugar. It's very simple. Usually sugar is always weighs twice as much as eggs, but with Thermomix you must have at least 3 times the weight of the egg white. If you have sugar with a non-fine grained size, pass it through the bimby first to reduce it to a powder. I let the robot go for 7 minutes at 37 degrees at speed 2 with the throttle mounted. While the robot is working, I prepare 1 teaspoon of lemon and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. I let it rest for 10 minutes, then run again for 7 minutes on speed 2. In this moment, I add the teaspoon of lemon and the teaspoon of cornstarch while the robot is running. So, I prepare a sheet of baking paper and block it with a little meringue. Then I put a base for the cake and then with the spatula I make it a little bigger and rounder. With a steel spatula I perform the typical pavlova design. Don't worry if it's not precise, you can go over it several times until you're satisfied, but rest assured that the imperfections won't be noticeable when you serve the finished cake. I made some pavlovas with a piping bag. I'll put the links in the descriptions to see what they look like. Then it is cooked for 100 minutes at 100 degrees centigrade with the valve open. For the decorations, watch the video I mentioned at the beginning and which I leave in the description. When you are ready to serve, do the mascarpone cheese cream, and layer it with a mix of berries, little of powdered sugar on top and you have done. It's super simple, and with Thermomix even more. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you like this tutorial. If you know anybody that you believe will enjoy it, please share this video. If you are interested in more content of this type, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.